Huh? What the hell? What in the ever-loving hell is going on here? It's your birthday, Commander Carl. We're celebrating it. Wait, that's today? Yep, and to commemorate it, we got you a lovely present. A present? What kind of present? We got you this amazing cuckoo clock. A cuckoo clock? You got me a clock for my birthday? Yep, we got you a nice-looking clock. Is there anything special about it? Well, the seller did mention that it had a defect, but he didn't specify what kind of defect it was. So, you got me a possibly broken cuckoo clock for my birthday. Yeah? I love it. Oh, gee, thank you, Commander. I knew you would like it. Yep, I think it's a really fantastic gift. Well, come on, Commander, let's go to the kitchen. There's a surprise waiting for you. All right, I'll be there soon. Well, that was a fun day. I guess I'll set this clock. If it's a cuckoo, that means I could put an alarm on it. There we go. I think I'll just head to bed now. Now for the lights out. Huh? What the hell? What in the ever-loving hell is going on here? It's your birthday, Commander Carl. We're celebrating it. That's strange. It's probably just deja vu, maybe a weird dream I had last night. Oh well, let's go celebrate. Finally. Now I can just lie down and forget about today. Lights off, please. Carl? Carl? Carl! Huh? Carl, honey, wake up. You're gonna be late for school. Wait a minute, Ma? Is that you? Who else would it be? Now come on, get your stuff. We gotta head to school. What the hell is going on? I said just get your crap. We're going to school. Okay. Okay, sweetie, have fun at school. Bye. I'm not going to school. I need to figure out what the hell is going on. Wait a minute. The clock. Oh no, the clock is probably some sort of time-traveling device. I've got to find it, but where could it be? Wait a second. It looked like an antique. It's probably at an antique shop. This is the closest antique shop. Maybe it's right there. Yes, I see it. It's in the window. I have to go into the shop and go touch it. All right, here goes nothing. That's weird. Nothing's happening. Wait, I was asleep. I need to wait for it to be nighttime. Wait a second. Oh, no. I was on an almost 7-hour run. That means school's almost over. Mom's almost there. I gotta get back to the school. Okay, I should be almost there. Hey, Carl. Ma, I can explain what I'm doing out here. Oh, I understand perfectly what you were doing. You were trying to walk home. Yeah, that's exactly what I was doing. Well, I guess I'm here now, so if you want, I could drive you back home. Yes, please. Oh, well, that was fun, Mom, but, I have to go to bed now. Good night. Don't you want some dinner before bed? No thanks, no thanks. I ate a big lunch at school. Oh, okay. Good night. Come on, baby, let's see if this works. Huh? Holy shit, it worked! What worked, Commander Carl? Uh, nothing. What did you get me for my birthday? Oh, well, we got you this really nice looking clock. Do you want to see it? Yeah, sure. Doesn't it look nice? Yes, it does. Oh, what do you want to do with it? I want to put it on the target range and have, some soldiers shoot at it. Okay. Finally. No more cursed cuckoo clocks. Alright, sir. We successfully destroyed that clock as part of our target practice. Good work, you two. What the hell? Hey, Commander, what the hell are you yelling about? What the hell happened to Smith and Johnson? Who are Smith and Johnson? But they were right there. I don't know what you're on about, Commander. Nobody named Smith or Johnson has ever joined our platoon. What the... Oh no, the clock. The clock must have... Oh no. Oh well, at least it's not me.